This is the tutorial video for surface pressure. I'm going to break the routine down step by step, and then when you're ready, you can click the link below and practice it with music. Let's start with our feet together, head down, and you can just have a little bop around when the music starts. Then we're going to step out nice and strong. 1, 2, and then you're going to punch forward and lean back. 3, 4. Good. Then you're going to crouch down and up. And then slowly stretch that fist up to the ceiling. Good. Then we're going to swing. Swing and step. Swing and step. And then both together and jump. Good. That little bit from the beginning. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 5, 6. Hold 7, 8 and stretch. And step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump 7, 8. Good. You're then going to slide your leg in and we're going to bounce. So both hands out, bounce, bounce, and then you're going to bend your knees and do a little body ripple up. So if you've got a top on, you can hold it as you come up. Repeat the other side. Bounce, bounce, and roll up. 1 bounce this time. Hands go out and cross, out and cross, then elbow. Strong, elbow, strong. Good, very nice. Let's try that a little bit quicker from the top. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 5, 6, 7, 8 and stretch. 2, 3, 4 and swing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and bring that leg in. Ready to bounce. 1, 2 and roll. Bounce, bounce. Just a single bounce this time. Bounce in, bounce elbow, strong. In, strong, in. Nice, good job everyone. Then we've got our chorus and you're gonna do 2 little jumps together. Jump, jump, and then jump your feet out. Good. And then again, jump, jump, out. And then we're going round, hit, round, hit. Good. And one more time. Jump, jump, out, jump, jump, out. Then we're ducking down. Down, stretch up, down, stretch up. Cool. So let's do that chorus bit from our jumps. We go. Jump, jump, out. Jump, jump, out. Round, hit, round again. Jump, jump, out. Jump, jump, out. Down and up, down and up. Nice. The next bit we're going to kick with a flex foot. So you're going to kick across to the front, to the side. Option 1, you can do 3 little runs on the spot. Run, run, run to turn you to face the other side. Or, a bit trickier, you can do kick, kick, and then go behind, side, front. 3 little steps. So, kick, kick, behind, side, front. Cool, all do those runs. Then you're going to repeat the other side. Kick, kick, behind, side, front. Or again, you can just do kick, kick, and a run, run, run. Whatever you like. You're then going to take 2 strong steps forward. So strong, strong, strike any pose of your choice, any position you like. And then you're going to walk backwards, back, back, and then finish strong. Nice, very good. Let's try all of that from the top. So feet together, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and stretch. Big step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump 7, 8, and slide it in. Ready to bounce, 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 body ripple up. Bounce, bounce, ripple 1 time, bounce in, bounce, elbow goes out, in, ready to jump, 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 out, jump, jump, out, round, hit, and again, jump, jump, out, jump, jump, out, go down, up, down, ready to kick. Front, side, and a 1, 2, 3. Front, side, and a 1, 2, 3. Walk forward, strike a pose, and back, back, strong. Awesome, well done everyone. Okay, next bit, rib isolation. So keep your hips still. You're gonna take your ribs over. They go over, over, and a step together, step. Okay, so just your ribs. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You're gonna punch up and then ripple over. Then the other way, we're gonna add the arm. Rock, rock, and a 1, 2, 3. Punch, explode. Good, so just that section from the ribs. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch up, windmill over. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch up, explode. Good, really nice. Okay, we're nearly there. Let's try it from the beginning, and then we can add on the last bit. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 5. 6 and 7, 8, and stretch. Big step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Slide it in. Ready to bounce, bounce, bounce. Roll up, bounce, bounce. Just one this time. Bounce in, bounce. Strong elbow, elbow in. Ready to jump, jump, jump out. Jump, jump out. Round, hit, round again. Jump, jump out. Jump, jump out. Go down, up. Ready for those kicks. Front, side, and a 1, 2, 3. Front, side, and a walk in forwards. Forward, forward striker pose. And back, back. Ready for the ribs. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch up. Windmill again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch and open. Good. Last little bit to finish it off. To your corner, you're gonna tap your heel, tap your toe, and then kick, cross, turn. Again, ready? So front leg, heel, toe, kick, cross, turn, little bend, because then you're gonna explode out. Open. Good, and that is the end of the dance. So don't forget, when you are ready to do it with music, check the link below for that separate video, and you can do this with the whole song. Let's try it one more time without the music, with my counts. Ready? 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, punch, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, and stretch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and jump. Slide it in. Now really bouncy. Bounce, bounce, roll up. Bounce, bounce, single bounce this time. Out, in, out, and elbow strong. Strong, good, jump, 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 out, jump, jump, out. Round, hit, again. Jump, jump, out. This time bend, down and up. Ready to kick, 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 and a 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick, and a 1, 2, 3. Forward, forward, pose, and back, back. Strong, ribs go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch, and over. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch, explode. Good. Heel, toe, kick, cross, turn, and jump. Good, well done everyone. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Now click the link below to practice it with music. Happy dancing!